Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's tutorial is about doing an attractive glittery eye makeup look using a combination of orange and black eyeshadows. This smoky eye makeup is truly amazing. You can learn it step by step in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested in trying out this makeup look, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. I start with a light orange eyeshadow and a touch of red toned shade. I apply 3 dots of the eyeshadow on my eyelid using a fluffy or a blender brush, and then I blend it well across the entire eyelid. You can choose the eyeshadows from your favorite eyeshadow palette. Besides, I have provided all the product information in the description section, so you can check it there. Next, I use the orange shade from this eyeshadow palette and apply it all over my eyelid. Following the same process as before, I make sure to blend it well to ensure there are no harsh lines and to create a seamless look. I personally love using eyeshadows with warm tones as they are versatile and complement a wide range of skin tones. Next, I apply eyeliner. Due to my puffy eyes, I usually draw the eyeliner up to the center of my eyelid because it complements the shape of my eyes. However, you can extend it all the way to the beginning of the eyelid if you prefer. Next, take a small flat brush and dip it into the black eyeshadow. Apply the black eyeshadow precisely above your eyeliner, following the line you created earlier. Gradually build up the intensity of the black eyeshadow and blend it as much as possible. Since blending the black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, this is the easiest method. Then use a fluffy or a blender brush and spend some time blending the black eyeshadow to create a clean, smoky black effect. Additionally, you can add more of the black eyeshadow with a smaller brush to achieve your desired intensity and use a fluffy brush to blend away any harsh lines. I usually use eyeshadows that are commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes, so you don't need to worry about searching for specific eyeshadow colors for this eye makeup look. If you are a beginner, you may not see good results in the first attempt, but with regular practice and repetition, following along with me step by step, you will achieve excellent results. I use a concealer and a small brush to remove any smudges or uneven lines at the outer corner of my eyelid. To make this process easier, you can start by using tape at the outer corner of your eyes, then use a sponge to precisely blend any remaining concealer. It's time to focus on the lower lash line. You can use a small brush to apply these 2 eyeshadow colors along the entire lower lash line. We have reached my favorite part, the glitter. I use white glitter and apply it to the center of my eyelid using a flat brush. You could even use your fingers to do this. See how glitter enhances the beauty of your eye makeup. Also, don't forget to apply glitter to the lower lash line as well. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video so far. This eye makeup was super easy and effortless. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup content, I post tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No.